Right, welcome to this video tutorials on QuickBooks Enterprise. In this video tutorial, we're going to look at how to track inventory on QuickBooks Enterprise. You need to know how to track your inventory, how to see the stock which came in a particular period and the stock which went out. Stock comes in by when we purchase, we input the stock into the system. When we sell, we take out the stock out of the system. Also, when you do a credit note, we take in back stock into the system. And when we do a stock adjustment, like probably a write-off, we take the stock out of the system. So basically, you need to know how to track or how to view that movement so as to follow the tracking of any particular stock item. So in this video, we're going to show you how to do that using inventory reports. Now, for you to be able to start, you have to come to reports. When you come to reports, you then have to scroll down, come to inventory. Then you have to come to inventory stock status by item. Then click on that report. When you click on that report, it will bring all the stock items that you have in stock. But as we said, you want to look at a particular stock. But before you pick the stock item that you want to see, you have to select the period that you want to cover. So you have to select the start date. Right? It all depends. You should have this start date yourself. So you select the start date. Let's probably say this is my start date. Then you select the end date. Let's say this is my end date. Then you refresh. All right. When you refresh now, this report remains as it is, but now it's covering the period that you want to view. You then have to come because you want to select or to view a particular item. You may have lots of items on your stock list. So for you to scroll down and look for it, it will actually take you a bit of time. So for you to pick a particular item that you should have, you come to customize. Right? When you come to customize, it will bring up this window. Then you click on filters. When you click on filters, it will bring up this. Then you just have to type here this filter search item. Then you click on it. Right? You can now select a particular item. Then you just have to click on this drop down arrow. Then now what you have are stock items, right? You could then probably, let's say we just want to view the movement of this stock. It has to be a physical stock item, of course. Let's say we want to view the movement of this stock item. You could just select that particular stock item. Then we click on OK. Right, this stock item doesn't have much movement. It shows that okay, of course, no, this one is not the movement. It's just showing us the summary report. What we have now to do is just to double click on it. Right, when you double click on it now, it will show us the movement of this item. As you can see, this is the movement. Right, it shows that an inventory adjustment was done. 47 items were brought into the system. Then an invoice was done of 3, and another invoice was done of 20. Then we bought by check 25 items. Then we did invoices. Then here we did a stock adjustment which took out, this was a stock adjustment which took out 7 items. This stock adjustment took in 47. This stock adjustment took out 7 items. So the items which are supposed to be in stock as at 17 Feb are 27. So basically, this is how you would actually see movement of a particular item. So you could go item by item on your stock list and see the movement. Right? If the quantity here is positive, what it shows is stock came in. If it is negative, what it shows is stock went out. Then here you are told how it went out. Here went out by invoice. Here went out by invoice. Here stock came in by check. In other words, we bought cash, then the stock came into the system, was captured. Here stock went out by invoice. Here stock went out by invoice. Here stock went out by invoice. Here stock went out by a stock adjustment. In other words, we wrote off stock. If you wanted to see this adjustment, you could just double click on it. Then you could see this stock adjustment which was done on this date to write off that. So basically that's how you see stock movement, or how you track stock movement of a particular item. You have to be doing this report from time to time and track how your stocks are being managed. Thank you.